Hi there, my name's Ash and I'm here to help you get started on the Nomi platform. Now, first things first, I always recommend checking out our Need Help section. And the reason being is that it's essentially a self-service help system and it's located just in the bottom left-hand corner of your screen, and you can select Need Help just down here. And then this will allow you to search for your question. And if your question is there, it will then guide you through the system and exactly how to do that. But also, if the question isn't there, then you can contact our support team. And to give you an example, we can type in how to add a client. So we could go how to add a business, and then it will guide us through the system. So click the plus button, click new client, select a type of business. Okay, so we can go for a limited company. We can search for the business on Companies House, or we can upload them in bulk using our importer. So I'll go ahead and search on Companies House, and then we select a company and create it. So that is how you can use the Need Help section. I hope you found that useful. If you do have any other questions or queries, then you can always get in touch with us via our support team, and their contact details are support@nomisma.co.uk, or you can call them on 020 3021 2326. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye.